All right. So up until now, we've spent forever talking about numbers and strings, and you're thinking, oh God, we have so many more to go through and my head hurts already. Well, you know what? I think you're gonna really like this one because this one's really short. And they're called Booleans. And Booleans in Python is bool. And bool, well, there's only two options. A bool can either be true or false. That's it. How awesome is that? You just learned Booleans. So a Boolean I can assign to, let's say, my Facebook profile. I can say Andre, or I can say name equals Andre. And make sure that we form this into a string. And then I can say, well, let's say we're creating an even better social network than Facebook. We're creating our own. And this social network also has the is cool option on your user profile. And let's say for now it's false. You see over here that's being highlighted. Now is cool is set to false. But all of a sudden I'm thinking, my profile doesn't look good if is cool is set to false. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to say is cool is now equal to true. Now my profile has been changed to is cool is true. Hooray. And that's it. Booleans represent this idea of true and false, which in programming is kind of like saying 0 and 1. They're logical values, right? There's some logic that we can use, and we'll see when we talk about conditionals in upcoming videos, where Booleans become really useful, because we can use Booleans to control the flow of our program, to do something if something is true, to do another thing if something is false. It's a cornerstone of computer science. And by the way, a topic we're going to explore more and more is this idea of using Booleans to denote logic. So for example, what do you think a bool of 1, converting 1 to Boolean would do? If I print this and I click run, I get true. In Boolean, 1 means true. A 0, well, that equals false. And remember, we're just simply converting this integer into a Boolean value. And a Boolean, well, is just either false or true. Nothing else. That's it. And I can also convert a string that says true into a Boolean true. Again, this is something we're going to explore a little bit more when we talk about conditional logic. But I wanted to make this video nice and short to let you know that, hey, not all these data types are as complex as, well, numbers and strings. All right, nice and short. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.